did you sell or give away Tristan's? Or was it broke? Remember Tristan had one?
Tristan gave his basketball court away.
I told him that. I said, Tristan, I think you gave it to someone, and he kept thinking, that boy's getting old too.
It wasn't me. I'm pretty sure Tristan gave it away.
That's what I thought. That's what I remember. But he said, no, Mom, I didn't give it away. I think Linnea did. I'm like, okay. But I remember like you remember.
I wouldn't have given it away and not told y'all. I didn't buy it.
That's why I don't understand. It's yours,
No,
Tristan.
I think Tristan did give that away.
Yeah, I feel so too. I feel like...
That was so long ago that court was in.
No, I'm almost sure he did though.
I'm pretty sure he did too now.
Because I was like, I don't think Linnea would have sold something.
I definitely, if I gave it away, I gave it away. I didn't sell it.
You don't sell stuff. You need to sell stuff, but you just give stuff away. You need to save clothes. Oh, I didn't miss it. The video got it. But I missed the close-up of it. You know what? I'm going to take a video short of him. I'm going to take it out.
Kayla drove herself to school today.
Oh my God. Was it, hadn't she already been driving?
No, but she drove by herself.
Oh, okay.
Today. It's her first time like on the road, just her, not somebody in the car. But she's in her second 6 months.
That's really nice. I'm gonna do something. I think. I feel like start using my, I have 2 more cameras, but they're stored away and I forget where I put them. He is so short. Look at him. They probably said, why are you seeing him? He looks so cute.
I wonder how old the rest of them were.
I don't, maybe.
That's he's in kindergarten, so.
But look how, yeah.
Compared to him, compared to her.
Yeah. But he's so
But she could be like Layla's, 6 in kindergarten, because of her birthday.
Yeah. It's all good. He's the shortest. He's the shortest. He's cute though. Okay, Ty, you got this. Almost. Did you see that video? Oh, you don't really look at my channel, do you? He got a really nice shot with his uniform when they were practicing. Oh no, maybe it was over here. I can't remember. Oh my God, I just posted all these videos. And every time I look at it on TV, I'm like, oh my God, I got more followers. My goal is 500, then 1,000, and after that, you can start monetizing. 500. I'm at 419. And yesterday I was at 404. It's a pretty good increase. It's hard to get followers on YouTube. I think it's hard in any social media platform, really. I feel like this has become my full-time job because I'm literally uploading everything. my gosh. This guy hit. Hi, Doc. Look, he's so chill. Look at him. Look, he's so chill. Hands in the pocket till the last minute. Look. Hands back in the pocket. Come on, Ty. Look at his face. Come on, Ty. Come on, Ty.
One thing he gonna do is go keep
Was he just cheating there?
That boy is a cheater. He told me the other day, he was like, it's okay to cheat if you win. He told me he played Roblox.
Oh,
It's okay to cheat.
as long as you win. Oh my God! What kind of
cheat?
who is teaching his moral compass? Lord
Hey,
have
because
mercy.
you know I don't like that cheating mess.
He's gonna be the one taking steroids.
I told him that I said, TJ, if you win after you cheated, you ain't really winning. It's not worth it.
Yeah, you know, winning when you're not cheating is the best.
Oh, they doing lefty.
That was funny. He said, I'm not about to be left behind. I'm already He's so cute.
Uh-oh.
Delighted.
He said, you gonna get this right.
Basketball's bigger than him.
He gets on my nerves.
That is funny.
Oh my goodness, that was out of control.
I have to tell Tristan about this. Let him go first. Ty's watching. One thing is, they're not giving him no special treatment as with
He
this.
got attitude. He's not. I didn't even look at him because he
Who's he competing with? What is he competing with another one? Well, you're the one laughing all loud. He can hear you. He can hear you. He's cheating so he can win. And then he walked around.
Coach, why you ain't making him go all the way?
That's his home. He's probably saying, Mom, be quiet.
That's okay, because after practice, I'm going to make him do it to the right line.
That's his home. But you know what? He's going to be good because he has to work harder. Really hard. No special treatment for the head coach. The head coach son there, right? And we just found out. He's like, Dad, I'm not playing. He's gonna be like, Dad, I don't care if you're a head coach. talking about?
Roasted.
Oh my God.
What's that got attitude? You've done it.
Look, he just got his hands in his pocket. Oh Lord, do I have to?
Because he was sitting there with his hands in his pocket and he wasn't paying attention. The ball came and hit him beside his teeth.
Oh no, it
But the
did.
attitude on his face.
Oh, I missed that,
He
my
was
man.
It was just a little tap, so it
Yeah.
didn't hurt him. You could tell he was like, come on. I ain't in the mood for this. I had it today.
Man, he was mad at the game because somebody took the ball from him.
Oh, during the game, yeah.
Uh-huh. Did you tell him he can do that
Yeah,
too?
I said, yeah. I told
Yeah,
him.
you better do that.
Brown told him. He said he told him during the game. He should have took it back.
He's learning. When is it my turn? Uh-oh. Got the sliding moves. He likes that one. Oh, that's hard. The ball's so... They have to start somewhere. He's so good.
He was going hard at it. Before practice, he was playing. He was guarding people and stealing the ball from them.
Oh man, I missed it.
Yeah, he was actually going hard at the beginning of practice. It was only like 3 of them.
I just missed like a couple minutes, right? Or 5 minutes.
Yeah, I know you got it. I heard everybody. Not everybody. A lot of people's taxes are affected this year. Negative word.
Really?
Like,
Like
the lower income people are being impacted by the tax laws that got implemented in 2017.
and I think those are Trump's ones.
They are.
He's annoying.
They're the ones where he gave breaks up front to make it look like it's not beneficial. In the long run, it ends up hurting the lower class. But business taxes are staying the same.
Of course, of course. That's okay. That's okay. He's getting his now.
I would say he got $1 back this year.
$1.
That's it.
Well, that's all he deserves.
That's me.
All he's gonna do is waste it.
That's me, Mom.
Randall, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, son. I posted this, so don't feel some type of way. Oh yeah. Is that more than last year?
A little bit. Not a lot more.
Wait a minute. But you got back last year, right? You got back and then you owed. Didn't you get a refund? Then you have to owe like a refund on federal.
I owe on federal. I got a little bit back on state. Same thing this year.
But you paying more federal?
Yeah.
I haven't filed yet.
Well, yeah, I know. I'm waiting on some of these W-2s.
Well, I don't even have calls. I'm retired, so my pension, I know what that is. It's the same amount every year, but the state gives you a rate, I mean, like extra money sometimes. I don't know. I don't know if they're doing it. Like sometimes if
Oh, you'll get a raise even if you retire?
even if you're retired, like
If they do it for the state employees, you get it too.
if they do 2% for state employees, we'll get 1%, something like that. Yeah, that's my forever money.
Yeah, he don't like it. He don't like nobody.
Is that how you are?
Like people would do.
And look, I just have to go.
He's got it in his pocket.
Yeah. Yeah. But always want to blame it on me. Sometimes you got my attitude.
Did you just curse?
Not all the way. I said shit.
This is for kids only.
Or you cannot post it.
No, you didn't curse. Yeah. Well, when it gets warmer, cause
I said in the house.
oh, in the house. Oh yeah.
Are you really dribbling?
Yeah. Oh, he's paying attention. He's not even dancing.
That was part of the deal. He was get pizza time. He was wings.
Oh, you guys are having moves. I'm gonna sleep so good today. I actually got quite a bit done in my house. I got quite a bit done at my house, and then I took Dad to the doctor's appointment. And then here.